All right, back again. Okay. Um, Number 4 for parallelogram ABCD. Find the measure of angle 1. And so let me just make sure you can see that's measure of angle 1. Now, what I did for you is I drew the picture. You can see it on my website on the PDF document. But let's make sure we take into account all the instructions. Okay? It says parallelogram, right? So there's some things that need to be sparked in your mind as soon as you hear that. You say parallelogram. Well, by definition, there are some things I should know about a parallelogram. For instance, these sides, opposite sides are parallel, right? And that's just by definition. Okay, that's the basics. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want you to visually see what's going on. I decided to draw this picture so you can visually see what's going on. So maybe this isn't clear to you. It says find the measure of angle 1, and it gives me 31 degrees for this angle here, and it gives me 96 degrees for this angle. And I'm like, what in the world do I do? I want to offer you a suggestion. Change your perspective. Alright, change your perspective. And I want you to notice something. You have, I'm going to use a pen, okay, but this is only to help. Okay, I'm going to use a pen. Okay, and it says, watch this. Okay, you are not allowed to use a pen to do your answers, but you can use it for this. Okay, watch this. You have parallel lines, remember, and you have a transversal here. And watch this. You know that these two angles are congruent. They are alternate interior angles, and they are congruent, which makes this angle equal to, you guessed it, 31 degrees. Okay, let me zoom in a little on that. Okay, so you have, watch this, now you have a triangle, right? And you have two angles missing. Now this angle is 96 degrees. These two angles here and here form a, you got it, linear pair. Alright, I'm bringing back some old stuff. So we have 31 degrees here. Okay, so let's change my perspective again. Alright, it really doesn't matter how you look at this part, but I have 31 degrees. Actually, let me, for people in our viewing audience, let me rewrite that. Alright, this is 31 degrees. Okay, which makes this angle equal to, if they're a linear pair, then you have x, we'll call this angle x, plus 96 is equal to 180, because we know a linear pair is supplementary. Okay, subtract 96 from both sides. Alright, and we're left with x is equal to, come on, that's right, 84. So if x here is now equal to 84, this angle is equal to 31, and this is angle 1. All three of them must add up to equal, this is a triangle, you're right, 180 degrees. Okay, so I have angle 1, the measure of angle 1, plus 31 degrees, plus 84 degrees, equals 180 degrees. Right? 31 plus 84, let's combine like terms. Alright, measure of angle 1 plus, right, 115 equals 180. Subtract 115 from both sides. Okay, and the measure of angle 1 is equal to 65 degrees. Alright. Wonderful. Got me all tingly on the inside, okay? Great job. Go me.